श्री सौगत रॉय जी, अब मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से कहूंगा। माननीय मंत्री
सर, आइटम 20A मगर 20B का इंट्रोडक्शन भी है। कैन आई डू दैट?
आप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं? यू वांट टू से समथिंग अबाउट द बिल?
सर, जीएसटी का विषय है। इससे पहले वी हैड एन ऑर्डिनेंस।
द मणिपुर गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स अमेंडमेंट बिल 2025।
That's right, sir.
Please, you want to say something? Please, you can.
I will just highlight the importance of this bill. There was a GST Council decision which all states had to change in their respective state acts, which was done by state acts, by all states. But because Manipur was under disturbance, they could not do it through the state legislature. Therefore, they brought an ordinance. That ordinance time expired and we couldn't come to the house because the state assembly was still on. Subsequently, we brought one more ordinance, by which time, after the ordinance was passed, by which time you had the state coming under the president's rule. Therefore, that ordinance will have to become a law. So we are amending the state GST bill, amending the state act by introducing this bill to replace the ordinance. So it is a constitutional necessity. It has to be taken up now. If it doesn't pass through now, the state will have difficulty in implementing the GST amendments which have long been approved by the council, and their revenue will get affected because they won't have the authority to charge on certain items on which the GST council has already passed. All states have also passed because they were able to amend their act. So I would think it's very important constitutionally to serve that state to have its GST collection enabled. Ordinance be converted into a bill and the House should pass it. Thank you.
कृपया एक संवैधानिक बाध्यता समझिए। माननीय मंत्री जी ने इस बिल को प्रस्तुत करते समय उन्होंने इस बात